In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Typeform into your website without a need for any coding experience. This easy-to-follow guide will walk you through the process using Typeform's Share panel, ensuring that your form fits perfectly on your web page and functions smoothly. So, let's dive right in and get your form up and running. First, we'll begin by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're in, open the specific form that you want to embed into your website. It's important to have the form ready and set up with all the questions and features you need before proceeding, as this will ensure the embedding process goes as smoothly as possible. Next, direct your attention to the top of the Typeform interface where you'll find the Share option. Click on it, and then choose Embed in a web page. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be provided with multiple options to suit the needs of your web design and the flow of your website. You'll find that Typeform offers various types of embeds: Standard, which places the form inline on the page; Full Page, which allows the form to take over the entire screen; and 3 pop-up options: Slider, Popover, and Side Tab, which can be particularly effective for drawing attention without being too intrusive. Now, let's customize your chosen embed type. Here, you have options to adjust form size to fit your layout perfectly, tweak transparency to match your site's aesthetic, and decide whether you want the header of the form visible. Plus, you can optimize how the form behaves on mobile devices. These settings are essential for maintaining both brand consistency and user-friendliness across different platforms. After customizing these settings to your liking, click Start Embedding. This will generate an HTML snippet that you'll need to get the form onto your website. Copy this snippet carefully. Now, head over to your website's HTML editor and paste this code precisely where you want the form to appear. This step is crucial for the appearance of the form on your site, so double-check that you've got it right. And here's a nifty feature. Once your form is embedded, there's no need to go through the embedding process again if you make changes to the form itself. Simply publish your changes within Typeform, and they will automatically reflect on your embedded form. This is incredibly convenient and ensures that your website stays updated with minimal effort from you. And there you have it. You've just learned how to embed a Typeform into your website using Typeform's Share panel, all without touching a line of code. Give your website a refresh and engage visitors effortlessly with dynamic forms. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.